You've been secretly fed a dangerous lie about passive income, haven't you? It's the insidious myth that passive income is effortless, a magical money faucet that turns on without any upfront work. This delusion, subtly propagated by countless online gurus, is your greatest enemy, far more destructive than inflation or high taxes. It's what keeps you chained to the daily grind, paralyzed by the fantasy of instant wealth, rather than engaging in the strategic, consistent effort required to build true financial freedom. This misconception isn't just a harmless inaccuracy, it's a deep-seated financial pitfall, a scarcity mindset that prevents you from initiating the very actions that would transform your financial reality. True passive income isn't about doing nothing, it's about doing the right things once, effectively, so the fruits of your labor continue to multiply long after your initial effort. If you cling to the belief that wealth appears without diligent construction, you'll delay your breakthrough indefinitely. The path to genuine passive income demands a radical mindset shift. You must abandon the outdated paradigm of simply trading your time for money. That's the active income trap, a treadmill where your earnings stop the moment you do. Instead, you need to cultivate an investor's mentality, focusing on leveraging assets that generate income without your continuous, direct involvement. This isn't about avoiding work, it's about optimizing your effort. Think of it like this: an hourly wage is a single seed you plant and immediately consume. A passive income stream is like planting an orchard. The initial effort is significant, but eventually the trees bear fruit for years with minimal tending. This requires delayed gratification, a powerful financial principle. You forego immediate pleasure for long-term gain. It also demands a high-risk tolerance to step beyond your comfort zone and invest not just capital, but also your time and intellect into building something that pays you while you sleep. Without this fundamental shift, you'll perpetually chase dollars, never truly building the wealth you deserve. You've likely been bombarded with get-rich-quick promises, but let's cut through the noise. We're not talking about those fleeting, unsustainable schemes. This section reveals the authentic, achievable paths to recurring income that don't demand your constant attention once established. The secret isn't a hidden loophole, it's about strategic investment and smart leveraging. These are not overnight successes. They require an initial burst of focused effort and often some capital, but the payoff is genuine financial freedom. Think of it as planting seeds, not harvesting lottery tickets. This approach confronts the fear of failure head-on because building something real always involves risk. But calculated risk, unlike blind hope, leads to sustained rewards. We're moving beyond speculative fads to proven models that empower you to build lasting wealth, allowing you to eventually step back and enjoy life on your terms. This is about building a robust financial fortress, not a house of cards. Imagine your money working tirelessly for you, even as you sleep. That's the power of real estate as a passive income stream. You might think you need millions, but that's another limiting belief holding you back. Platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest in diversified real estate portfolios with far less capital, democratizing access to this powerful asset class. Alternatively, consider a strategic approach to traditional property. Acquire a duplex, live in one unit, and rent out the other. Your tenant helps pay your mortgage, building your equity and generating cash flow. This isn't entirely hands-off initially. There's research, acquisition, and management. However, once established, with good tenants or a reliable property manager, it becomes significantly less demanding. Warren Buffett didn't get rich by only investing in stocks. He understood the power of diverse assets. This strategy demands patience and due diligence, but the long-term rewards, including appreciation and consistent rental income, are undeniable. I am building a portfolio of income-producing assets. Your expertise, your passions, your unique insights, These are gold mines waiting to be tapped for passive income. Have you considered transforming what you know into a digital product? Ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, or even niche software tools can generate income with minimal ongoing effort once created. Think about someone like Pat Flynn, who built a substantial passive income empire through online courses and digital content. This strategy directly combats the imposter syndrome many face, where you doubt the value of your own knowledge. But someone, somewhere, needs exactly what you know. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Shopify make it incredibly easy to sell these products globally. The upfront investment is primarily your time and intellectual capital, not necessarily vast sums of money. Once your digital asset is live, it can sell 24/7, reaching an audience far beyond your immediate network. This is about leveraging your intellect to create a scalable asset, allowing your wisdom to work for you while you're living your life. I am transforming my knowledge into valuable, scalable assets. Do you want your money to make more money effortlessly? That's the magic of dividend-paying stocks. Instead of just betting on price appreciation, you invest in companies that regularly distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. This is not day trading. This is strategic, long-term investing. Think of giants like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson, companies with decades of consistent dividend payments. This taps into the immense power of compound interest, often called the eighth wonder of the world. Reinvest those dividends, and your money grows exponentially. You can start with relatively small amounts, leveraging tools like robo-advisors such as Betterment or Wealthfront, which automate diversified portfolios of dividend-paying ETFs, exchange-traded funds, or S&P 500 index funds. This strategy requires patience and a belief in the long-term growth of quality companies, directly confronting any scarcity mindset that demands instant gratification. You're building a financial snowball that gets bigger and faster with every rotation. I am leveraging the power of compound interest for continuous growth. Do you influence others, perhaps unknowingly? If you've ever recommended a product or service you love, you've already touched upon the core of affiliate marketing. This powerful passive income stream allows you to earn commissions by connecting people with products they already need, without ever handling inventory, shipping, or customer service. Think of someone like Michelle Schroeder Gardner, who built a multi-million-dollar empire primarily through affiliate marketing on her blog. You leverage your existing platform, a blog, YouTube channel, social media, or even a podcast, to share valuable content and strategically embed unique affiliate links. When your audience makes a purchase through your link, you earn a percentage. This strategy directly challenges the scarcity mindset by proving there's abundant opportunity to monetize your influence. The initial effort involves building trust with an audience and creating high-quality content, but once established, the income can be incredibly hands-off. It's about being a trusted guide, not a salesperson, allowing your recommendations to generate wealth. I am a trusted guide, generating wealth through valuable connections. You don't need to buy apartment buildings to tap into the rental economy. Consider the vast potential of other rental businesses, where assets work for you without the complexities of traditional real estate. Think about car rentals, equipment leasing, or even specialized item rentals like event supplies or high-end tools. Companies like Turo have made peer-to-peer car rental incredibly accessible, allowing your idle vehicle to become an income generator. This strategy leverages existing assets or acquiring new ones specifically for rental purposes. It requires an initial investment in the asset and a system for managing bookings and maintenance. But once those systems are in place, the income can flow with surprisingly little direct effort. This directly confronts the comfort zone fallacy, pushing you to see value in overlooked opportunities. You're becoming a mini-financier, allowing your assets, not your time, to generate consistent revenue. John D. Rockefeller understood the power of owning assets that produce income. you can apply that same principle on a smaller, more accessible scale. I am a strategic asset owner generating income from diverse ventures. Imagine building a business that operates with minimal personal oversight, delivering income with strategic setup and smart automation. This isn't science fiction, it's the core of an automated business. Think about a successful e-commerce store utilizing drop shipping where you never touch inventory, or a print-on-demand t-shirt business. Your role shifts from daily execution to strategic oversight, marketing, and customer service optimization. Tools like Shopify for e-commerce, or even a well-structured YouTube channel with evergreen content that generates ad revenue, exemplify this. This approach demands a significant upfront investment of time and effort to build robust systems and processes. But once those systems are finely tuned, they become incredibly powerful income generators. This tackles the inherent self-sabotage many experience, where the idea of giving up control seems daunting. Yet true leverage comes from building systems that serve you. Consider the efficiency Benjamin Franklin championed. He understood that well-designed systems could multiply output without multiplying effort. You are creating a living, breathing financial machine. I am building automated systems that generate continuous income. Before you even dream of building substantial passive income, you must confront and annihilate your debt. Every dollar you send to a credit card company or loan shark is a dollar you cannot invest in your future. This isn't just a practical financial principle, it's a profound psychological one. Carrying debt creates a perpetual scarcity mindset, a feeling of being constantly behind. Imagine Andrew Carnegie, who meticulously saved and invested. He understood that every penny saved from unnecessary interest was a penny amplified for future wealth. You need to declare war on debt. Utilize powerful techniques like the debt snowball method, paying off smallest debts first for motivational wins, or the debt avalanche method, tackling highest interest rates first to save money. Tools like Mint, You Need a Budget, YNAB, or Every Dollar can provide the brutal clarity you need to track every penny and aggressively pay down what you owe. This isn't just about financial prudence. It's about reclaiming your mental and emotional energy, freeing it up to focus on wealth creation instead of debt servitude. I am a debt demolisher, freeing capital for exponential growth. You can't build a financial empire if you don't know where your money is going. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment, a strategic tool to uncover hidden capital and fuel your passive income ventures. This directly combats the common fear of scarcity, proving that with mindful allocation, you have more resources than you realize. Think of Oprah Winfrey, who meticulously managed her early earnings, understanding that every dollar saved was a dollar that could be put to work. You need to become a master of your money flow. Implement zero-based budgeting where every dollar has a job, ensuring none is wasted. Utilize apps like YNAB or Every Dollar to track your spending, categorize expenses, and identify areas for optimization. This process unearths the cash previously siphoned away by impulse buys or forgotten subscriptions. That reclaimed capital becomes the seed money for your real estate investments, digital product launches, or dividend stock purchases. Without this fundamental financial discipline, your passive income dreams remain just that, dreams. I am a master of my money, strategically fueling my financial freedom. Never put all your eggs in one basket. It's an age-old adage, yet countless aspiring wealth builders ignore it, falling prey to the dangerous scarcity mindset that whispers, just one big win. Diversification isn't just a buzzword, it's a vital financial principle, your ultimate shield against market volatility and unforeseen setbacks. Ray Dalio, one of the world's most successful hedge fund managers, built his empire on the principle of radical diversification, understanding that spreading investments across different asset classes mitigates risk and ensures stability. You need to apply this to your passive income streams. Don't rely solely on real estate or just digital products or only dividend stocks. Build multiple uncorrelated income streams. If one market dips, another might soar, providing a consistent flow of income. This strategy directly combats the fear of loss by creating a resilient financial ecosystem. It's about building an abundance mindset, trusting that there are ample opportunities, and that by spreading your bets, you secure your long-term prosperity. I am diversifying my investments, building a resilient and abundant financial future. The most dangerous saboteur of your passive income journey isn't external, it's internal. It's that nagging voice, the imposter syndrome, telling you you're not smart enough, not experienced enough, or not worthy enough to build significant wealth. This psychological barrier, a subtle form of self-sabotage, keeps countless brilliant individuals stuck. You might look at someone like Madam C.J. Walker, who built a hair care empire from nothing, and think, I could never do that. But she started with an idea and relentless action just like you can. This limiting belief is a comfort zone that keeps you from taking the necessary calculated risks. It's time for a profound mindset shift. You are inherently capable of attracting and managing abundance. Your ideas have value. Your effort will yield results. Don't let past financial struggles or societal narratives define your future. Affirm your power. Look yourself in the mirror and declare, I am financially disciplined. I attract wealth and abundance. I am a master of my money. Believe it, and your actions will follow. The most dangerous financial move you can make isn't a bad investment, it's inaction. All the knowledge, all the strategies, and all the mindset shifts we've discussed are utterly useless without the critical final step, taking consistent, calculated action. Taking consistent, calculated action. This isn't about grand sweeping gestures. It's about starting small, building momentum, and relentlessly refining your approach. Delay is the silent killer of dreams, a direct consequence of a fear of failure or succumbing to comfort zones. Remember, even Warren Buffett started with a few dollars and a hunger to learn. Your passive income journey begins the very moment you commit to implementing one of these strategies. Open that high-yield savings account, research your first dividend stock, start outlining that digital product, or explore real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise. Don't wait for perfection. Perfect action doesn't exist. Embrace the iterative process. Every small step is a step away from the financial treadmill and a leap towards true freedom. Are you ready to stop wishing and start doing? Your journey to passive income and financial freedom isn't a someday dream, it's a today decision. If you're ready to unlock your full financial potential, make sure you hit that subscribe button on MoneyOga. Join our community of wealth builders, activate the notification bell, and let's transform your financial future together.